Hi, today we are going to see configure yum repository server and mail server configuration on Linux. So first I'm going to the drive, the CD-ROM drive, cd/media enterprise server location. In the server we will find all the RPMs. So I'm going to install the rpm-uvh vsftpd, enter, and rpm-uvh create repo, enter. Once it's done, we have to copy the server completely to the var ftp pub location. So I'm going to copy -rf server. The location is var ftp pub, give enter. So in order to copy from the disk to the drive, it will take some time. Alright, and the file is copied to var ftp pub location. Now going to the location is called the cd/var ftp pub pub server repo data. In that we need to copy the file called comps to the location is var ftp pub server. It's done. Cd dot dot, come back to this location, server location, and run create repo -vg rhel/var ftp pub server and give enter. And now this is copying to the var ftp location, so this will take some moment. Okay, then restart the service, vsftpd start, give enter. So when you restart the system, this service will not start automatically, so we need to add the service. Check config -and vsftpd, give enter. Right, then we need to comment vi/etc/yum dot repository. We need to create a file. Okay, so I'm going to name it as yum-server dot repo. In this, press I to insert, and I'm going to name server, close bracket, name equal to yum underscore yum underscore server, and the bash URL will be ftp:192.168.2.251. This is what I've given, /pub/server. Alright, and gpg check equal to 0. Save the file, escape :wq, then go to vi/etc/vsftpd pt/pt slash vsftpd.conf. In this file you have to check the anonymous enable. If it is yes, leave it. If it is shows no, you have to make it as yes, right? Then restart this service vsftpd restart, right? So this what are the okay. So if you want to install and try for mail DNS configuration, so we are going to perform now the DNS. So install bind and set up a DNS. So so EM is already installed, so you will find so in order to install any package you have to give the command em install and the package name. So I'm just giving em so bind and give enter. So whatever the bind package is available, it will get installed in the name of bind, right? While installing, this will take some time. I do appreciate your time and patience. And give yes. Okay, then type em install system system hyphen config hyphen bind. Okay, so this package is getting installed and give yes. And type system hyphen config hyphen bind. So now we are going to configure. So mandatory in Linux, you require the internet connection, then only you can configure this, right? So in DNS I'm right clicking on it, and click on zone and click on OK, and name it NORA dot. Click on OK. So dot is mandatory. If you won't give the period, it will not go further. So click on OK. Then so it has been created. Again we need to right click in this, right click and go to A. In this location we are going to specify the IP address. Okay, so the IP address will be 192.168.2.168.2.251. The IP address I've chosen. Click on OK and right click on Sinora, add MX mail extension server. Okay, so click on OK. So it has been configured. If you want to check it, you can check it like this and just drop down the arrow, you will find the information. right? So now save, click on yes, click on yes. Alright, and it has been saved. Alright, and click on close. Now go to vi slash etc slash sol.conf. In this, add the line, insert name server, name server, name server, and type the IP address 192.168.2.51. Okay, save it. Then type service, then you have to restart the service, named start. Then you have to add it, check config hyphen add named, give enter. Now we need to install the package called postfix. Yum install post postfix. Right. So Yum is installing the postfix package. It's done. Now you have to edit few things. vi slash etc slash postfix main.cf. In this you have to change a setting. So first I'm going to check, so in order to find, just put type slash and whatever you want to find, net underscore interface. So net underscore interface, this one is shows localhost only, right? So I can remove this, then go to my destination, give enter. So this is your destination. My destination is local, my host, local host. So if you want to edit anything, you can edit here. So just give me a few minutes. Just I'm adding dollar of my domain. Then slash home underscore mail. So home underscore mailbox. So it has been appended. So remove this, delete. Right. Once it's done, escape :wq and save and restart the postfix service. Service postfix start. Then add it, chk config add postfix. It's added the service. Now we are going to install the dovecot IMAP POP3 server. So for that, dovecot IMAP and POP3. So alright, so we are going to perform now is so yum install dovecot dovecot dovecot, enter, give yes. So in dovecot also you need to change some parameters, hence what we did in the previous screen in postfix main.cf. Like that we need to edit dovecot.conf. So vi slash etc slash dovecconf. In this we need to find slash protocols. So I'm looking for the POP3. Okay, so POP3 I my alright. So I'm among this, and I'm looking for mail underscore location, mail underscore location. So if the file which you are looking for, the name which you are looking for, if you are it is not visible or it is not present in this page, you have to type n, right? So it will take it to the next name. So I'm looking for mail location, so this is what I'm looking for, but it has been appended, so I'm removing this. All right, then we have to, I'm looking for slash pop3. I'm not using IMAP, so I'm going to use the pop UID format. So the format is perfect. So alright, then I'm looking for we need to configure IMAP client, IMAP client workaround. So this is what I'm looking for, and delete this IMAP client workaround will be, I'm not using the Outlook, so I'm going to delete, and I'm naming it as delay hyphen new mail space Outlook hyphen DLE, and then Netscape hyphen EOH, right? Then escape pop3 underscore client, pop3 client. So in this also we need to make some changes. So here I am typing insert Outlook hyphen no hyphen us hyphen quit, then restart the service, because you have made some changes, so you have to restart. Got restart, or you can start. Then add the service, check config add the code. Alright, then I'm going to create a user. We are going to create mail user account. Okay, so I'm going to create a user. First we have to create a group. Okay, group, add. This I'm going to name it as group add Sonora. Enter. Then I'm going to create a user add SAINORA -G yes bin / no login, and password WD. Yes, I'm assigning a password. Right, so the user has been created. Now we need to install and configure Apache web server. Okay, install and configure Apache web server. Right, so we need to install that package. So yum install httpd. So it says already installed, nothing to do anything. So just I'm restarting this service. httpd start. Right, it has been started now. Give me a few minutes. Okay, so once it started, we need to add the service check config -add httpd. Alright, the HTTP is added. Now we are going to install and configure Skrill web mail server. Alright, so for this again we need to install the yum install Skrill Skrill mail. We need to install the Skrill mail. Okay, give enter. Total 5 packages has been installed. Alright, once it done, the location for this squirrel mail, we need to go to cd/user share squirrel mail config. We need to config. So cd/user share squirrel mail config. In that we'll find conf.pl. so we need to run this file. So ./conf.pl, enter. So the page will appear, and for this we have to type C, enter, save. So now we need to update the C for changing the color, because it won't show. So we are going to configure now. So I'm going to type D, and we need to select the default is dovecot. Okay, so I am going to type dovecot, 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 enter. Then type 2, and we need to configure the domain name. So domain name is Sayonara.local domain, right? Give enter, save, yes, and quit. Now you can access the site. So the site access is http://192.168.2.251/webmail, right? And it's giving an error. So service httpd restart, service got restart. Open a new terminal. Sayonara. Alright, so it's done now. So now we can access Sayonara, and the password is so it's done, right? So today we have watched how to configure YUM installation and mail server configuration. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Raj. Have a wonderful day. Bye.